So King's been waiting for this for a very long time since we got here. Have a look at the line.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zooks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, merong humabol sa Amerika namin. Abangan nyo kung sino. Sinundo na siya ni King sa baba. Kaya naman, ipapasyal natin siya agad-agad. Kakaland niya lang, diretso na agad tayo sa kung saan mang pasyalan niya gusto. Hindi ko alam kung pagod na siya o hindi pa. Basta, papakita ko sa inyo kung sino siya. Just chew it with... Charot. Sige na, ito na siya. I can hear it. Yun pa lang yung itinerary. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Hey! Maybe mga bata na sa banyo. Kumain na kami. Nag-Uber kami ng coffee bean. Meron dito. And it's so yummy. And we are all ready. Naantay na lang namin ang pagdating niya. So, I'll update you very soonest.
Sobrang bright. Ayun guys, so we're just waiting for our Uber. We're heading to the Grove. It's like 42 minutes away. Memes, can you stand up? Thank you. Ayun, so we're like how far away?
2 minutes na kasula.
2 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. But this girl is already hanging off everything. Show off your tricks. Ayun. Our car is here, so let's go.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fright, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith.
Alright, so King's been waiting for this for a very long time since we got here. Have a look at the line. We are finally going to one of the top food chains in the US. I don't know if it's the whole US. In and out.
Dad, look.
Oh, look at that line. There's like 30 or 40 cars waiting in line. So every time we pass here, there's always a lineup for the drive-through, but then there's always a lineup outside as well. So yeah, we finally made it. We're gonna let you know what we think, because this is the first time that we've ever been here. Oh, it already smells good. Oh look, you put the hat on. In and out hat. You know how to put it on? Look, oh, Papa's got it.
What about a late night? Are you really leaving me for someone else? I want to let you know. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back to you. I'll come running back. You can call my
kami sa Marshalls. Nag-shopping kami ng kung ano-ano. Ang dami namin nakuha ng mga pantulog na pambata. Na mahilig kasi doon yung mga anak ko. Sobra nilang meticuloso sa pantulog. So nakakuha kami ng Juicy Couture. Nakakuha kami ng Hello Kitty. And ano yung nakuha mo, Lala? Yan, lip balm na M&M. Lip gloss. Kala ko lip.
Kala ko lip balm, lip gloss.
Oh, tapos ito guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. This is yan, mga branded yan. Steve Madden. What are you doing? What's that?
Go. Yeah, okay na yan. Tapos lips.
Can I see? Can I see lips? Meron silang M&M. Ito ang lip balm. Yeah.
Yung isa.
Oo, lip gloss yung na kay Aliyah. Ikaw, ano nakuha mo? My God. Daming nakuha ni King. Isa lang, pakita mo ng isa. Si King ang may pinakamaraming na shopping.
Lagi.
Palaging budol.
Lagi.
You're gonna have a big
Yung buong outfit niya dito niya na yun. Wow.
For religion, babe.
Totoo? Magkano bili mo dyan?
$1,000.
Kasi dito mga mura na lang yan sa Marshalls eh.
Parang $50.
Oh, kumbaga discounted na lahat ng mga nandito. Clearance na sila.
$24 from $119.
119 dati, $24 na lang. Grabe, tignan nyo guys, pakita ko. Yan yung totoo niyang presyo, 119. Tapos 24 na lang.
Sobrang mura din.
Bakit nga ba mura? Mga last size na. Ay!
Actually, mga last piece.
Oo, tapos binili ko na din si Mimi ng shoes dyan. Nagagamitin niya sa birthday. Ako wala akong nakuha kasi kailangan ko sanang magsukat. Eh, ang hirap mag-shopping kapag kasama mo yung mga bata na takbo ng takbo dahil ang dami nilang nakikita. Actually, nakita si Mimi Toy. Nilagay namin sa cart pero doon sa cashier tinago namin para hindi namin bayaran kasi ayaw namin bumili ng mga toys dito tapos mahihirapan naman kami ibalik sa dalhin sa Pilipinas kasi magla-Las Vegas pa kami. So iniisip namin hindi kami bibili ng mga laruan talaga. Mga damit okay kasi magagamit naman nila. So ayan. Gusto ko ulit bumalik dito. Meron pa daw kami isang pupuntahan yung Ross. So hindi ko pa sure kung matutuloy kami. Kung meron, naghahanap din kami ng swimsuit kasi sa Las Vegas, yung titirahan namin may swimming pool. Eh ngayon kasi since malamig dito, hindi sila nagtitinda. Kumbaga seasonal yung mga naka-display. Ang naka-display dito for kids yung mga long sleeves, mga panglamig. Kaya yun. Even though mainit sa sa tanghali, hindi ko sure. Kasi sa Target din ganun, wala silang tinitindang swimsuit. Ayan, si Diego. Ay, napunta na kami sa Ross, mga Jews. Let's do it. Alam nyo guys, isang, ang tawag dito. Paalala ko lang sa inyo. Hindi paalala. Ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Papaalam ko lang sa inyo na, si Diego, nung unang-una kong punta sa Amerika, siya rin yung kasama ko. Kasi yung first America ko is with Bubble Gang. So parang, ang saya isipin na bumalik ako dito sa LA, tas nakakasama ko siya ulit ngayon. So, we are happy na magbabanding kami dito sa Amerika at marami kaming imimit ng mga kaibigan dito dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo, imimit natin ng DKSA soon! Oh my God, I'm so excited dyan. Kaya abangan ninyo. And mahaba ang araw namin tomorrow. Maganda yung vlog namin dahil may susunduin kami sa airport. At hulaan ninyo kung sino. Maaga tayo gigising tomorrow. Kaya good night na mga Zoobs. Maraming salamat sa pag-abang at panonood ng vlog namin everyday. Bye!